Let's all go where the fun is. Take a special day or plan a weekend trip and visit the #1 family fun stop on the Jersey Shore, Hunt's Pier, located on the main boardwalk from Poplar to Juniper Avenues in Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey. Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey. Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey.
Commence vlog sequence.
Pee pee. Poo poo.
Come on, you know, I wumbo, you wumbo, he, she, me, wumbo.
Hey, bitch.
Fart.
In a little village just south of the border, there lived a peasant family of 4. But troubled winds started blowing up dust. Soon the man was called into duty, and go he must. But he said, love conquers all. It takes your biggest worries and make them small. Yes, love conquers all. Don't be sad, my sweet Bonita, 'cause love will conquer all. A whole year passed without a...
Oh, hey guys. Welcome to EV Games. Whoa, hey guys, welcome to EV Games.
Hey, what's going on?
I don't know, I'm just partying over here in Wildwood, New Jersey at the Starlux Hotel. Why don't you come in?
We can come in?
Yeah, first you gotta look at my bathroom. Come in, I want to close the door.
I'm sorry.
Come check out our bathroom. It's got, this thing.
Whoa.
I pee in there sometimes.
Do you?
We've got this thing. I pee in there sometimes. And I think this is a shower. I don't pee in there. And I found my new favorite channel. I want to see if it's on. The channel. Look at this. This isn't the right channel. It's in Spanish. That's so crazy. They don't speak Spanish. Lindsay Lohan is so talented. Anyway, I'm drinking some wine.
No one asked.
So, you're probably thinking, well, is that really all this place has to offer? Well, I'm here to tell you that you would be wrong. Because come here, check this out, check this out. Turn around, there's a mirror. Turn around again, there's an entire guest room. Come into my world. Let's meet my friends. So, this is my buddy Ham. This is my other friend. He's a lava lamp. Hello. Ow. He's really hot. So, we have this couch here. It looks like it's just a couch, but it's really, would you like a beer?
Sure. Actually, I think I just will. You know what? I'll take that.
There you go. Are we gonna get demonetized for that?
I'm not monetized.
Oh, that's right, we're broke. Who cares? You see this thing, half pint, where, as we know it, half pint is just an insult for a very short person. It's a ticket to retro microwave cooking. We cooked ramen with this earlier. It tasted terrible. I think this came from the adult boutique. I don't quite understand what this is utilized for. Oh, of course, we have a balcony. How could I forget? Come step into my world. This is a balcony. There's these palm trees, which they're not real. But when you really get down to the thick of it, is anything truly real? We also have these chairs. Ah, yes. Nothing like a good sit when I'm at the beach to make me remember that I really like sitting and I really like being at the beach. Thank you for coming to my apartment.
Okay, that's enough of that.
Can I come in?
No. Check out what I can do with my ass.